Next question from Ahmed from Ghana. Can I start fasting for the 6 days of Shawwal a day after Eid-Ul-Fitr? All of us know that the Prophet said fasting on Eidain, fasting on the Eid days, Eid-Ul-Fitr and Eid-Ul-Adha, it's haram. So the brother asked, can I start my Shawwal fast immediately after Eid, means the 2nd of Shawwal? It is not haram to fast on the 2nd of Shawwal, but it is makruh. The fuqaha say, since Eid is a day of celebration, and there are 3 days of Eid, so fasting on the 1st of Shawwal is haram, fasting on the 2nd and 3rd is makruh. It is not haram, it's makruh. It is preferable you don't fast on the 2nd and 3rd day of Eid, because these are days of enjoyment, merrymaking, where people, they visit each other's houses, the relatives, the family members, and they eat. So if you are fasting, there will be difficulties in this merrymaking. That is the reason it is preferable that you don't fast on the 2nd and 3rd of Shawwal. If you have to fast the 6 days of Shawwal, fasting after the 3rd is preferable.